Weather that we had yesterday and over the weekend, it's back as we head into tomorrow. Today we had a spike of heat and humidity, almost reached 90 degrees. No longer the case moving forward, as we do have cooler and drier air sliding in behind today's cold front. Now, any spotty showers and storms manage to stay just to our north and southern Wisconsin or off to our east for the most part, so we stay dry, even though the cold front came through. And the big change will be that level of humidity that drops off a lot in the coming days. So just like we saw over the weekend, comfortable air, not too hot, and plenty of sunshine expected over the next several days in a row. In fact, it's going to be a pretty quiet week moving forward until we get to about the weekend. Then we could see some changes again, but leading up to that point, cooler tonight. Temperatures down into the mid-60s. Any kind of showers and storms now out of the picture, so we should have a dry end of the night. Winds do pick up a little, so that breezy wind is going to blow in that slightly cooler air as well as the drier conditions. So we start off just a little cool in the morning. Temperatures in the 60s early, quickly getting back into the 80s though. But keep in mind, like we saw the past couple days, even though it's going to be warm out and temperatures are near average, it's not going to feel necessarily all that hot because we do have that low humidity to enjoy and a lot of sunshine to go along with it. So of course, just make sure you have the sunscreen handy. When we have the sun right overhead, like it's been for the past month or so, it can burn pretty quickly with that high UV index. So just make sure you've got the sunscreen on, and if you need to, kind of protect yourself with all those other preventatives like a hat, sunglasses, that kind of thing, and try to stay out of the sun as much as possible to avoid that sunburn. So going into the afternoon, 83 for the high temperature, right around average. Northwest winds gusting up to about 20 miles per hour, again blowing in that cooler and less humid air, and we will continue to have the comfortable conditions for a few more days in a row. Then late this week, we start to see a few changes appear. So as you look at the forecast, not much changing the next couple days. Sunshine, low 80s, nothing for rain chances, and we even get colder at night with temperatures down into the 50s. Starting by the time we get to City Market on Friday, slight chance for rain. The heat starts to creep up a little. You'll see that into the weekend. The humidity on the rise too, so it's going to feel just a little more muggy going into the weekend. Keeping an eye on those rain chances. Right now they're very low, but we still could see some rain sometime between Friday to Sunday. We'll keep you up to speed throughout the course of the week. In your most accurate 10-day forecast, we eventually build all the way up to the 90s. That's ahead for next week, so enjoy the comfortable air while we have it, because a week from today, feeling muggy with all that hot weather around the corner. With the heat today, with temperatures almost got to 90 degrees, but our 4-degree guarantee held on. That means the cash total's up to $65. If you want to sign up for the next time we may have to draw a name, head to WREX.com, Brittany.
All right, more money in the bank for us, Alex. Thanks.